With our own plantations, Sunshine Code uses advanced cultivation techniques to guarantee the highest quality ingredients. Cashew fruits, including the nuts and flesh, are harvested from the trees. The cashew nuts are then separated from the flesh. Typically, the nuts are sun-dried for several days to facilitate easier shell removal. Next, the cashews undergo an automated shelling process. The machines efficiently remove the toxic shell. Following this, the nuts are peeled. After shelling, there is still a thin skin on the cashew kernels. This thin skin is mechanically removed. Then comes the roasting process. To enhance their flavor, the cashew kernels are typically roasted. This step ensures a delicious, crunchy final product ready for consumption. The precise control of temperature and time during roasting ensures that each cashew kernel achieves the optimal taste and crunch. We have the advanced laboratories that conduct rigorous quality testing. In addition, we have obtained international certifications and qualifications.